After our internal storage gets filled up, we need some external device, external something to transfer our files, photos, videos, blah blah, all that stuff. So we need a hard drive, and I have got this package from Amazon. I ordered this one. So let's unbox it. Hey guys, welcome back to Qurrahtech. In this channel I do some tech videos, reviews, tutorials and some tips and tricks videos, some unboxing videos like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. If you are not, give a thumbs up, comment, share, everything. So let's get into unboxing video of this 2 TB hard drive. So let us cut out the cardboard with a knife and take out the box which is present here. And here is the WD Elements 2 TB hard drive. It says basic portable storage, stockage implement, and on the side it has some contents like portable hard drive USB 3.0 cable, quick install guide, so and so all that stuff. And they also mention 3-year limited warranty. Yeah, that's really amazing. And on the back side you can see the manufacturer, by manufacturer, all that stuff, country origin, everything. And you can see the price of this one. It says MRP 7,905 rupees in India. But I got in Amazon for just 4,500 rupees. With the offers, I purchased this one in Republic Day offers, so it's worth to get one. So let us cut this seal out and take it out. Yeah, inside they have a plastic like the wrapper, and inside the box there is nothing there, just a box. So let us keep this one away. And we got this kind of package. Yeah, it's completely transparent. Okay, let us take out the hard drive. It is enclosed in a plastic cover. Yeah, they are keeping it secure. Yeah, it's very much secure. Okay, let's check this one afterwards. And inside the transparent plastic cover case like that one, they gave a user guide which is sufficient. Yeah, no one reads the user manual and thing. Yeah, I think it's very much big. Yeah, I think it is this much big. Yeah, who will read? Yeah, they gave in all the languages, I think so, but I don't want to waste your time seeing this one. They gave step 1, step 2 like that. Okay, no need this one. And beneath the transparent, that plastic case, they gave a cable which is used to kind of a hard drive and have a computer or PC or whatever laptop you are using. Okay, now let us check the hard drive. Yeah, they gave in a plastic. It's clean. Yeah, it's somewhat shiny here. Okay, you can see here the WD Elements. It shows a brand logo here, and WD Elements, they embedded it. And on the back side, nothing, there's serial numbers, all that one, so we don't need that one. And on the top they gave the jack which is used to connect our hard drive with the cable they provided. So let me just show you off now. Yeah, this is the port. You can insert it. Yeah, this is the port, and this cable is not that much long. It's somewhat thin. Okay, it's fine, because in hard drives they don't provide you a long cable as chargers. Okay, it's pretty much okay for you. So that's it about the unboxing video of this WD Elements 2 TB hard drive portable. Okay, I will also make another video. I will check how much storage they're providing you, what's the speed, what's the transfer speed of the photos, videos, everything. So I will make another video, and I have linked the video down in the description below, so you can go and check the video now itself if you're watching this video after a week or 2, like that one. So don't miss that video. So to watch that one, subscribe here. That's it. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook to be connected with me. Everything is Qurrahtech, you can see here. So this is Ahmed from Qurrahtech signing off. See you next video. Bye bye.